Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ni Barbie Fortes sa kanyang Instagram. Belated happy birthday to my nanay, Fatima Mercado. Thank you so much for taking care of me. You're the best po. Hope you enjoy your special day. I love you so much. Ayan na nga, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa at ang kanyang pinakakatiwalaang si Miss Fatima Mercado. O, diba? Ang tagal-tagal niya ng makeup artist, diba? Parang kapamilya na ang turingan. At next, post by Barbie Fortes sa kanyang Instagram story from GMA Pictures. Ang laot ay nasa YouTube na po, guys. Let's watch this. Ayun na nga, sobrang galing ni Barbie, no? So, wala bang, dialogue, pero grabe. Alam mo na agad na nagkulangan siya ng pera at naiyak na siya dun sa scene na yon. At yan nga, 2016 laot, full movie, Barbie Fortesa, Ronaldo Martin, and Felicia Kristen Dizon, na nasa GMA Pictures YouTube channel. At ito nga yung movie ko saan nanalo si Barbie ng award. Barbie Fortesa won the Best Actress Award for her role in the film Laot at 36 Fantasforo International Film Festival in Oporto, Portugal in 2016. The film also received special mention of the jury citation at the same festival. This was her first international award and she won numerous other accolades throughout her career. O, diba? Ito yung international award ni Barbie Fortesa na Fantasforo International Film Festival. Kasi super galing niya doon. Kaya I'm so excited to watch it sa weekend pagka-day off ko. At next naman is another Instagram post ni Barbie. Working student, breadwinner, yung pro o certified raketera, show up your OA roles in style. Flaunt your OA outfit transitions, tag Oppo Philippines, and use the official hashtag up and branded effect for a chance to win 1 million worth of prizes. Celebrate your OA self and join the Oppo A6 Pro OOTD Challenge today. Ayun na nga. So kung gusto nyo manalo ng 1 million pesos, gumawa ng TikTok video with transition at gamitin ng kanilang template. Ayun na nga, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa in her bathrobe. At tapos mag-change siya ng ayan. O diba, may pa-transition at nasa US talaga siya. Grabe. Napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next naman ay gawa ng fan account na Jamison Blake Barbie Fortesa. Jamison Blake and Barbie Fortesa inseparable. Ayan, napaka-cute. O diba, in fairness, ang galing na ng AI ngayon, diba? I so love it. At ayan, si Jamison Blake and Miss Barbie Fortesa. Parang mas malaki yung ni Barbie dito, hinaharap dito sa video na ginawa ng AI, no? Anyway, we're still waiting for Barbie Fortesa para magpirma ng kontrata. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya nakapag-renew ng kontrata sa GMA7. So, we're waiting for her to renew her contract. Wala namang bali-balitang lilipat siya ng channel, no? So, abangan natin yan. At yung announcement ng movies niya at projects na may kasamang ibang leading man. At wala ng barda. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates or for more Barbie Fortesa updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!